So to show just how easy it is to create either apps or content in Livecode, we're going to make a little app about, say, food. Let's make it iPad shaped, say, and let's call this app food. And we're going to begin, we're going to drag in a text area. And I want the text on this to be quite big. So when we double click any object, you can see here we've got properties in this inspector. And one of the properties is text size. We can make that nice and big. We could then start typing into it the food application. Now it's got a border on it, so I'd like to change that. So I click on the object again. I want to hide those. And we might have some information, some more textual information here. Let's do the same thing. Make the text a bit bigger. And put some text in. This is all about our application. And we might have some buttons that we want to go to certain places. So let's drag a button in. Let's make the text bigger again. 18, there we go. And we want the button to say, go to a page about cheese. Now, this card we're going to call our home card. So if we go to the card inspector, see at the moment it's just got a random name because I call this home. There we go. And this hasn't actually got any code in it yet to go to a cheese card. We don't have a cheese card, so let's make one. Let's make a new card. Look at the card inspector. Set this to cheese. And on this page we could have text, and we can have interface elements like drop-down menus or just random shapes or whatever, QuickTime movie, anything we want. But also we could import media such as pictures or sounds, and those would be our. To create some random there. Let's go to that. Go to that one. Whoops. Let's do that again. Put the image file. There. So we've made our cheese page, and we want to have a button that goes back to the first page. So we'll create a button, and we give it some code. And the code that we give it is live code. And here is what's called a handler, and these handle certain events. So this event is mouse up when somebody's clicked the button. And all the code we need is go to card home, because that's what we called it. So this is now ready to use. Oh, no, let's make it at least say home or something. Do that just by clicking on it, changing it. There we go. So there we go, we've navigated to here, and we could put some code into this button, and you can guess that the code for this would be go to card cheese. So with just that one, if you like, little bit of code, we've made an application of sorts that might have multiple buttons, multiple areas. There we go, backwards and forwards, showing different sorts of things. Could be submitting forms to web services or playing media, and probably looking a lot nicer than this. And so now we can save our stack. Let's call this food. One of the things we could do is now compile this to iPhone or Android, and coming soon is HTML5 as well, which means you'll be able to embed your apps into web pages. So that's just a very brief look at the most simple thing that you can do with Livecode that allows you to create quite complex adventure games or learning environments or tools or just media adventures very, very quickly. You can imagine how they could quickly balloon into something that's magical and complex and interesting. So have a go. You can download it for free and see how you get on.